Hello again, Nine. We've just finished our first topic. You should be very proud of yourself because this is the first GCSE topic that you've had to do, and you've had to do it essentially at home by yourself, regulating your own time, etc. So that's impressive. A lot of you have done really well and worked really hard. When we move on to the next topic, it's not going to be a project-based one. I'm going to record videos for every lesson and upload them. Now, for the spam today, so here's the spam. We are doing it kind of like you do it in the classroom, but because I'm going to make my own copy, because we're doing it from home, it's a bit different. So here's your spam, just like normal, you've seen them before. One thing I'd like you to do, if you can directly edit the PowerPoint, that's perfect. So download your own copy, edit it, and put it back up. If not, writing it on a Word document or a piece of paper, just writing it out is perfect too. I think the easiest way is to do it on here. So let's say, for example, I did well on question 1, question 3, and question 4. Okay. And let's say I needed to improve question 2, question 5, and question 6. 5 and question 6. Please make sure you write that down because it helps me and it helps you, because you can go back to the part of the assessment that you got stuck on. Now, if you did well on question 1, literally, you can just copy. Right? Copy and paste the statements. So I won't go through and do them all because you saw that I just took question 1 and copied it. Since I would like to improve on question 2, I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste it here. Now, once you've finished this off, I'd like you to do your green pen, please, because remember, these statements in this improve box here are questions. So the top is what you've done well on, and you've got to understand what you know and what you're good at. You've also got to understand what you need to improve. So do your green pen. If you get stuck, go to the question on the paper and see what that question was, because it should be related. So if I couldn't answer this because I have green penned my paper with the answers on question 2, I'd go back. Or you can copy this, and let's see if this works. Let's go new window into Google. Let's see. So explain why ciliated cells can be found in the lungs and the woman's fallopian tubes. Okay. And then you can go have a look in here, maybe. That looks good because it's a BBC bite-sized question. That looks like a difficult article, but you could have a little look through. With a bit of Googling, I could maybe, if I didn't quite know what it was, I could type in what is a ciliated cell, and then I'd type GCSE afterwards. Ciliated epithelial cells, GCSE biology. Let's have a look here. And then there's a video there, which is perfect actually. That'll tell you exactly what they do. So once you understand what they are needed from fallopian tubes and what they're needed from the lungs, then you can answer that question. So you're allowed to Google, you're allowed to research stuff, but please do your green pen and then email it back to me.